as you can see, no turbo. It looks like we're gonna be replacing the turbo because the one that I bought originally was not the ceramic ball bearing. It's a journal bearing and it is worn out. I spent some time pressure testing all of my piping, my intercooler, all of my piping all the way up, made sure everything was good there. And I come to the conclusion that I needed to pull the turbo, and when I did, I mean, it's not terrible, but for a non-ceramic ball bearing turbo for 2.5 years of abuse, it's probably time. New turbo is on. I've got everything else buttoned up, all the other lines and everything else back on, and now I'm fixing the shifter. The shifter, as you can see, is pretty simple. There's looks like a bolt with a spring, and that spring holds this pin so that when you try to shift, see that? Just lifts it a little bit. Well, what's happening on this side is it's breaking. So this is the one that came on my first TKX. No, this is the one that came on the first TKX. It's in the car right now, and you can see that it's got the same problem. So what I'm going to do is swap the good pin that's on that one into this one's broken. That pin's out of that one. Here's a broken piece. And we have a fixed shifter. We are here at the KBPI Rock and Roll Car Show. We're going to do some grudge racing. Hell yes. Transmission. Well, that was lackluster. Yes, we have no transmission. Well, we have a transmission, but first gear's gone.
To the Rock and Roll Car Show, you guys. Great to see you, man.
Plan for the rest of the season is the TKO again, since it's never failed me. I got a new seal coming for the input shaft, and then I got a new shifter that I just got today. Look at that. The shifter's been bugging me for a while, so I figured if I'm going to have to run it, because I'm not buying another TKX, we are going to run the Steeda Triac shifter. Time for me to get swapping transmissions. And then I got a test before I go to Sturgis. Drive fast, take chances. See you guys soon.